Welcome to AgeGO is a digital platform designed to verify that you are over 18 while protecting your private data. This service is built to be efficient, private, and safe. One major advantage is that the verification only needs to be completed once. After that, you can access any compatible website immediately. Operating since 2018, AgeGO maintains an active presence on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook, making it simple to contact their support team if you need assistance. Their primary focus is user confidentiality, as they avoid keeping your personal details on their servers long-term, which provides extra security. To confirm your age, you can choose between taking a selfie, uploading a state-issued ID, or using a digital identification method. Select whichever option you prefer. However, keep in mind that public feedback is currently limited. There are no ratings on major sites like Trustpilot, and the few comments on Facebook are not entirely positive. One user expressed skepticism, suggesting it could be used for monitoring, though that is just a single perspective. In summary, this appears to be a solid, flexible system centered on privacy. Given the lack of extensive user reviews, it is wise to stay informed and see how the platform evolves before committing to it entirely.